Now to break the bead on this tire, I'm going to use this small bottle jack and the weight of my truck as a downward force to push down on the tire. So I'm using the hitch, the top of this, and the wheel, so that'll help keep this straight. So lean your bottle jack against your hitch so you can push straight downward. It'll tend to lean less than it might normally. So there you go. That's one way you can remove the bead from your rim using your truck, using a bottle jack. But of course, you still got to go back to the tire irons and the spoons to remove the tire from the rim. That's another problem for another day. But hey, I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.